So welcome to Alif Dhaba. Today we are going to show around Alif Dhaba, a very good restaurant around NH8 just after Vasai Creek. So let's go and have a look at it.
Yes, we'll follow you, Thompson. Come on.
So you can see that there's ample amount of parking space over here. The families coming around here. You can park their car comfortably because there is ample amount of parking space, and as you can see that already there are roughly around more than 15 cars parked over here, and still there's so much of space. So moving ahead, you will see that how the setup is and how the ambience of the place is, which is very well done. A typical bamboo kind of Dastarkhan setup. One side it is double floor, the other side it has a party plot, a small party arrangement kind of thing. And we are going to take you around through the entire setup. So we will be sitting on the top floor, on the rooftop, which is again a private place for families to have their time with some good food. So let's go and have a look at it. So it's a double floor. So we are going to the first floor, which will have, I think, a better ambience than. It's a ground floor seating arrangement wherein the customers can come and sit down on the floor on the cushions that are laid down.
And the style is actually considered to be the Dastarkhan style, where you're sitting on the floor, you have some cushion, and you are in and around a massive table, and this can accommodate around 12 people.
Yeah, and can, roughly accommodate around 2 to 4, 4, 4, 8, roughly around 8 to 12 people. And this is a setup wherein typically a big family can come in and have their time over here, having good food, actually good quality food, I would say, because the quality of the food is absolutely stunning, and that I've already briefed. We have already briefed about the quality of the food.
And to go into this machan, actually you're supposed to take out your slippers and your footwear outside, like you can see here, so that you do not dirty this place, because it's completely cushioned. So you have to take your slipper and footwear outside, and then we have certain people coming and serving inside also. Like you can see this man who's just come in, he's taken out his footwear out, and then he goes inside to serve. So that's how this place is kept.
And it's the same setup we have on the ground floor as well. So I think we will not be able to shoot the ground floor.
We cannot shoot the ground floor because there are a lot of people around. But yeah, these are the two kinds of setups which they have over here. So we are moving towards the area. This is one more setup. And we are at, that's the name, Alif Dhaba. छाछ आ गई है, भैया लेके आए हैं. भैया मिक्स छाछ है क्या? Thompson, please give us your review over the छाछ.
Mix मतलब?
So the छाछ looks very good. काफी गुज्जू टाइप छाछ लग रहा है.
थोड़ा टेस्ट करके बताओ. टेस्ट करके बताओ.
Pass me the sugar, please. Is that sugar? It's powdered sugar. अच्छा. I thought it's all.
छाछ को थोड़ा दिखाया जाए. और ये है हमारी
है ना?
छाछ.
छाछ बहुत ही बढ़िया है. As expected, it is really good.
Travel and living से कोई आया है.
क्या है भैया ये?
ये बंजारा कबाब है, बोनलेस.
अच्छा, ये बंजारा कबाब है. So guys, we are talking about the Banjara kebab at
Alif Dhaba.
Alif Dhaba.
Feels really good.
Thompson, can somebody eat and tell me the taste of it? Rini and Sylvia, please. Apparently our very good friend Thompson is a hardcore non-vegetarian, but since he is fasting, he will not eat. So Rini will do the honors for us, and Sylvia also will do the honors. And you can see they are following all the COVID protocols. The masks are up, and yes, health is taken care of very seriously over here at Alif Dhaba.
Let's go down.
Rini, how is the Banjara kebab?
Vegetarian. You take this. Give me that. vegetarian. Yeah, so it's very juicy and it's very well cooked and it's also very tangy and it has a nice tangy taste to it.
Okay.
Which is nice.
Sylvia, can you taste?
Salad with the onions. Thank you.
And guys, this is just half of it, okay? This is a half plate. भैया हाफ प्लेट में कितना पीस आता है?
हाफ में 12-13 पीस आता है।
12 और फुल में?
फुल में 25-26 पीस आता है।
25-26. Guys, have you all heard it? And half plate for we get 12 pieces and the cost is just 360 rupees. And full plate भैया 25 पीस है और कितना प्राइस है उसका?
600 रुपये है सर।
600 rupees. Guys, where will you get this in and around Bombay? Sylvia, can you tell us how it is?
It's yum, it's juicy and it's got all the flavors that's required.
Would you recommend this
It's a
as a
must
must eat
try.
at Alif Dhaba?
Yes.
Okay.
Thumbs up.
क्या है भैया ये?
ये वेज जयपुरी है।
हाँ रख दीजिए आप. So our very good friend Thompson is fasting, so he is going to have veg Jaipuri. And you all can see it's
Very
done up very well and well decorated. But yeah,
Nice.
Thompson could not eat, so we'll check with Thompson. Thompson, can you tell us how the veg Jaipuri is?
So, भैया जरा serve करो इसको. So I'll be giving you my feedback after having the Jaipuri. And the first look of the food is
Yeah, you
really
can see how
amazing.
well is it decorated, and the presentation is very well.
You know, food tastes better when the presentation of the food is done excellent. And I would say the first feedback for the food is really good. It feels really good.
भैया आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम उमेश है।
उमेश जी, आप कितने टाइम से यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं?
यहाँ पे मैं ओपनिंग से काम कर रहा हूँ, करीब मेरे को 3 साल होता है काम करते हैं।
ओके, बढ़िया है. थैंक यू उमेश जी, थैंक यू.
So I'm going to have the roti. I've called for butter tandoori, which
How is the butter tandoori, Thompson? Is it pretty soft?
yeah, it's pretty soft. It's very crisp, soft, and very well buttered. You can see that it's very well buttered. So I'll just have my first bite and give my feedback.
It's very hot.
I think the reaction says it all.
It's good. It's a blast.
What is a blast? Tell us what it means.
The flavor for this curry is really good. I mean, it's very well cooked.
Is it
And,
smoky?
It's very smoky. It has a lot of spices, the real Indian spices. So I would say it's actually a dhaba kind of food. So the name justifies the flavor of the food. Definitely.
So guys, we are done with our dinner and we are moving towards the dessert, and the first thing which we have is भैया क्या है ये?
ये सीताफल क्रीम है यहाँ का फेमस डिश है।
और उसके अलावा क्या लेके आए हैं आप?
ये अपना मटका रबड़ी है।
अच्छा, तो आप मटका रबड़ी यहाँ पे दे दीजिए. We have our man Umesh, who has been very courteous to us today in serving all the dishes which we have eaten and reviewed. And Thompson, can we have your thoughts on the Sitafal cream?
So the sitafal cream actually is considered to be one of the best dessert at this place. And I'll give my feedback on it. It's good. Very good.
How much would you rate it out of 5, Thompson?
I would say I can give at least a 4 point.
4 point. 4
Four.
point.
I would rate it at 4.
Out of 5, okay. Is it thick and creamy?
Definitely it's thick and creamy. It has some pieces of custard apple, and that custard apple is also crushed in some form.
And just for our viewers, custard apple in Hindi is called Sitafal. So yeah, And now we move to the Matka Kulfi, Rabdi.
This is really good. Creamy. And the sweetness is just right, like just perfect. It's amazing. I
How
think
much would you rate it out of a 5?
out of 5, it is at least a 4.5.
That's
Really good.
that's like supposed to be very good.
Yeah.
So, our friend Clifford will give a sign off for today.
Yes guys, so I hope you all enjoyed our video on Alif Dhaba.
Food
Details about the location and the menus are in the bio below. Please, and yeah, if you have not liked or shared, or if you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the bell button
Press the subscribe button.
and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Good night. See you again, guys. Bye bye.